Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video, and this video is all about Pride. Happy Pride Month, guys. So I decided to do a crazy kind of drag parade look. This is something I would probably wear if I were going to Pride, the parade. So I decided to do a look for that as some inspiration. So you got some rainbow eyebrows, you got the bisexual flag eyes, and then of course a nude lip. I'm sorry I'm talking funny. My wisdom tooth is actually going to get pulled out sometime this week, so I'm talking like this because I'm trying to stop it from hurting. Anyway, so before we get into this look, go ahead and continue to watch. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below. You already know. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know. Even though a bitch tooth hurt, energy stay the same. Keep that energy. Y'all didn't ask me that, did y'all? Yeah, I know. Alright guys, remember to bloom because a flower is just so blossoming in nature. Love wins. Be yourself. Be who you are. I love you for real. Mwah.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high.
Hey guys, okay, we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is just brush my eyebrow hairs up, and now I'm going to take my creamy beige concealer from Sistar Cosmetics, and I'm just going to go ahead and shape my brow so that when I put the color on it, it's vibrant, the same way you would prime your eyes. So I'm just patting in that concealer on both eyebrows just to make sure that it's nice and dry before I put the product. And yeah. So I'm going to use my James Charles palette with all of those rainbow colors, and I'm just going in with the rainbow, starting with red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. I'm sure most of you guys know how the rainbow works. So I'm just going in. I'm wiping off the brush every time, just so I want to use that flat liner brush. So I'm just brushing those off every time I use it and just outlining my eyebrows as you see. Okay, now the purple is a little bit more important because that has to close the eyebrow. So I want to make sure that it looks good. And I'm going to start filling it in. My camera did die, so I went ahead and filled in that eyebrow, and that's how it looks. So I'm just going to go ahead and line that and then show you how I fill in the brow so you don't miss that step. And really, it's honestly simple. Wherever you put the color on the line is just where you're going to fill it in and put it on the eyebrow. And that's pretty much it, guys. I always make sure that I'm blending it in where each color touches so that it looks like a gradient effect of color and not necessarily just blotches of color. I hope that makes sense to you guys. Sometimes it's hard to explain things. That's why I love just doing voiceover so you guys can just see it. Because if I was explaining it while I was talking, y'all probably be like, okay, girl, you talking too much. So now I'm going in and I'm just cleaning up those brows like you would do any other brow. So I went ahead and did one of my eyes, and that is the bisexual flag. I'm using those colors in the same palette. This is a one palette look. The James Charles palette has a lot of colors. I know he's had a lot of controversy lately. However, I bought this palette way before that controversy. I'm going to use this palette because it has the colors I need. So what I'm doing is I'm going in with that blue, blending it in with the purple, and then blending it in with the purple, then blue. Right. And that's, of course, a cut crease. You guys have seen me cut my crease so many times. If you guys don't know how to cut your crease for hooded eyes, I'll actually link that video up here on the card. And just go ahead and click that. And that'll be the best way for you to cut your hooded eyes. So now I'm repeating that same step on my bottom eye. So wherever the pink is, the pink will go on the bottom. The purple, bottom. Blue, bottom. So on and so forth. So forth and whatever. Y'all know what I mean. We're almost there, y'all. So now I went ahead and added some gold liner. I didn't decide to show that because again, this is something I've always done. It's actually in that same hooded eyes tutorial. So you'll see it there. It's pretty simple. So now I'm going with my Alamar brush, as you saw. And I'm using this Ramona Joan lipstick. And it was a little too light, I thought. You'll see that when I start to decide, but this lipstick is very matte. If you want to go ahead and purchase this, I'll link this down below, and I have a code LaFleur22 to help you save some money that will also be posted down below. So what I did was I went and wiped it off, and then I came back in with my Sistar Earthly Brown liner, and I'm just lining my lips, and then I'm going to put that color back on, just to give it a gradient look. I don't like that look where it looks like your lips are just like a whole different kind of like baboon color, if that makes sense. So I love the brown. It just creates a different kind of feel. So now I'm going on my Artist Couture pinkish goldish highlighter, and I'm just using that all over my high points. Wherever you put your highlight, that's where you put it. I love this highlighter. So now I'm going to go do my lashes and all that goodness, and I'm back. I have my blue hair on, and pink dress, and I am ready for Pride, y'all. I'm ready to go to the parade. I'm ready to turn up. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this look. I'll see you guys in my next one. I'm sorry about the notifications. I am on my computer, and I get notifications from YouTube and stuff. Whatever. Okay, there's another one. Great. I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.